left Chicago in the morning light, the Willis Tower fading out of sight, with my guitar and a dusty map in hand, heading west to find the promised land. Take me down Route 66, through the towns where time still ticks, from neon signs to the desert air. There's a piece of freedom waiting there. Stopped in St. Louis, the arch stood tall, hit the mother road, gave it my all, ran my fingers on the bricks in Galena Street, felt the heartbeat of history beneath my feet. Take me down Route 66, through the towns where time still ticks, from neon signs to the desert air. There's a piece of freedom waiting there. Oklahoma skies were white and blue. In Amarillo I had some barbecue. Painted desert whispered secrets untold, and the Cadillac Ranch was painted in gold. Through Winslow's corner I stood still, echoes of legends, their spirits fulfilled. Out in the Mojave the sands ran free, the road felt like it was calling to me.